Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury featured in stellar black metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below, and our Bose speaker. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating, and we can hop inside. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, on the left side is our cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel, and on the right we have our cluster and audio controls. Here we have the cluster, and just to the right our infotainment screen. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera. Just below that, we have the climate controls, as well as the heated front seats. In the middle here, our infotainment screen controls, and the center console. Storage up top with 2 USBs, more storage down below. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some Cadillac badging as well as the XT5 just to the left there. And to open up the back, we can just double click on the key fob. We have a ton of storage space back here. That's on the other side for added visibility. You can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention the hidden storage we also have down below that houses the spare tire and rear cargo net. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60/40 seat split. And we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents with 2 USB plugins. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.